Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your Instagram filters, or for some reason they're not working. There can be a lot of issues when it comes down to some of these filters, but specifically what you want to do starting off is you want to go ahead and hop out of Instagram, just close out of it, and try going back into it. Now, not every single time, but sometimes when you go ahead and close out of the app and go back into it, this can go ahead and reset and restart the application, and this may actually end up fixing the specific issue that you're having. Now let's go ahead and say that doesn't fix it. The next thing I would recommend doing is determining which specific filter you're using. If you're using one of these types of filters, then something probably won't happen. It's typically like stock Instagram filters that you shouldn't really have too many issues with. But if you're using a filter that somebody else made, if you go ahead and search for filters and things like that, sometimes some of these filters can actually go away over time. Now, like I mentioned, it's not every day, but sometimes some of these filters can actually be removed in the back end, and if you try to use one of them, sometimes they may not actually work out properly, even if you can see it, which is so crazy to say. It happens on Snapchat, it happens on a lot of other applications too. So if that ends up being the case, all you need to do is hop out of Instagram just like this, go into your app store like so, and you want to go ahead and search up Instagram. Now, it may search up and come up here. If not, you can just search for it right here. So just search up Instagram and see if there's an update available. Now, sometimes there can be an update available, and all you'll have to do is just go ahead and update your application, and then you can go and pretty much go back into the app. Now, if there is not an update available, you may have to wait until Instagram actually goes ahead and pushes out an update in order to fix that issue. Maybe it's so new and maybe they haven't even gotten around to fixing it yet. But if there is an update button, you want to go and update your panel, go and update Instagram, and go back into it and try doing the filters again. Now, if you go back into it and you still don't see any filters, you're not able to search for any filters or anything, then you may have to wait until Instagram pushes out the fix. Their servers could be down. There could be a lot of issues like that. So you'll pretty much just have to wait it out and wait until Instagram actually fixes the issues. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can pretty much get around with it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.